Think there's any chance of a flood?
Let's try shutting off the water. Let's try back flowing it.
Hold on, I gotta see where that's coming out. Do that again. It sounds like it's coming through the bellows.
Maybe this is the outlet.
Are there two? We never did get underneath it and look at the bellows, but they look fine from here. Hard to see.
Put the hose up here and we'll force water back through it.
She's going back in. Get her.
Got something.
Need a bar to break it?
What?
Need a bar to break it?
No. One more nut underneath here.
Normally I wouldn't care, but it's almost secret. Yeah, got your bag? I forget those when I'm not working.
The prop looks good too.
No, we'll fix that.
Yeah, we'll run it over a brick or something.
We'll find a rock really soon.
Do you handle that or you need another pair of hands?
I don't know. It's been a while since I've taken one of these off. You have a rubber mallet? I can.
She's
You're
not.
ruining it.
I'm ruining what?
You snapped it.
I never did that.
Yes, you did. You had this on, leaning up against that sand cherry, and all over the lavender.
I don't know what you're talking about.
On top of my sand cherry bush.
It'll survive.
Don't do it again, please. Hello.
That's making it into the video. No.
Forward,
Miss a
does it-
screw in, or bolt in the back, maybe?
Yeah, does it have to be in forward? I remember something about that.
Are they even connected?
Yeah.
The linkage, the shift linkage?
We got these apart. We got all the bolts out of it. It won't move.
I remember having a issue with this before. What is this? I think that's your anode.
I'm missing something. Oh, there's one up in there. Way up in there.
Yeah, there was one that we had to take off from here, remember? Oh, that was on this one, I think.
One up in there.
It's stepping over the pain in the ass, huh?
Okay, let me in there. Looks like half an inch.
You going out?
No, I'm just putting it in the car so I don't step on it.
Ah, there she goes.
So you can see it.
Okay, go put the motor in neutral. I know that was Merc Cruiser that has.
That's coming. Do you need a pair of hands there?
No, I don't think so.
Reverse, maybe?
Go put it in forward.
I can't. It won't.
Well, just try it.
dry in there.
There's got to be a shifter to undo.
Can you be in there?
Oh, that's a sticker. Let's Google it.
Yeah, take the lower unit off and the out drive as well.
Come on.
Can you get to it?
Wrench, 5/8 wrench.
Oh, number one bullshit. It's on the ground. This side here. Okay, we are recording. Something rather unwholesome going on here. At least you had lube on it. Well, we never got it on record, but we just finished changing out the gimbal bearing. Figured we had it all apart, so we may as well put the new one in. Anyway, there it is. We shall reinstall the lower unit as soon as my gasket kit comes in. And a nice level one tidy here. Nothing crazy going on. Again, we're not trying to make it brand new, we're just trying to make it so that it works and everything is not going to be giving the new owner trouble down the road. The things they don't have to worry about. Okay, we're going to attempt to install the lower unit as an entire unit.
Well, you're hitting that.
Ooh, la-dee freaking da. It's got a full shot of all of this.
Okay.
And I trim out what I don't like.
You go to that's it. It's got that.
Yeah, no bottom's right out as it is.
It's not sitting on anything?
No, it's just on its jack stands. Its little wheel stand I'm going to try turning the engine. What size wrench was that?
I don't know.
What are you doing over there? about putting videos together. Take all the parts you don't like.
I gotta get a fork there. I got one.
I know you do, but I don't.
I was just bragging. It's not like I was going to let it to you. I was just bragging. Yeah, it's perfect. I got one too in Taiwan. In the garage, remember? They got every size nut and bolt imaginable. They got 5/8, half-inch, 9/16. You think they could have added a couple more?
Probably.
7/16. They got that one on here too.
Hey, you're ruining the shot. Sit there. See? That's a pain in the ass of the guy. When one guy's just filming, he can get in and around.
I can. Watch Dave Motohead. He does that.
Do you know how much more footage that gives you to go through? It's not in the budget right now. And I have to edit all this bullshit we're talking about out. Nobody wants to hear any of that.
You never know. We are quite charming.
You know what? Yeah, you gotta pare them down.
Not charming?
Depends who you ask. This bottom one's a pain in the balls. But they painted over all the nice lettering on the sides of this and everything. Just scraping the shit out of it. Bunch of fucking hacks. Now I gotta get some cleaning compound and unless you've got some
What? The rubbing compound?
yeah, like the cleaning compound, the heavy stuff.
Oh, right.
The stuff you cut with.
Oh!
You can't really get a ratchet or a driver without
There we go. A wobbler in there.
I don't have one here. By the time I go dig it up,
You want it?
I'll put this together. We can fire this up. It's only a couple hours of work.
Yeah, we've been working, but it's not like we do it really good. We did,
It will be.
I did mine, and I never remember that much struggle. But
I'm going to will it into existence. A retirement hobby. Restore boats for him. Restore and maintain and winterize boats and hot rods.
I'm gonna hop in and hook up the that shift cable. Ooh,
Careful now. Actually, that little seat there, that's pretty solid.
so we need a couple of cotter pins back here, but I bought a kit of cotter pins.
Do you need them now, or
Huh?
do you need them now?
No. But,
Does this one have the rotating sleeve thread
yeah,
to adjust the linkages?
yeah. I don't think we need to.
We'll see. We said that before when we did that one. You remember what happened?
Well, we just had to keep adjusting. We had to do
Yeah.
mine on the water.
Pissed me off. I had that one dialed in so well once we took it out, and then I took it apart and fucked with it and couldn't get it back to where it was. Well, we got it back on, but batteries were dead, and we have to charge them overnight, and we'll try it again later.